Find fourth term in the expansion of this. So T4. So you know that if we will talk about T4, this minus 2 power means this thing will behave as y, and this thing will take power 3. Correct? So in fourth term it will be 3, and the denominator will become what? 3 factorial. Correct? And numerator will become n minus 1. Sorry, it starts from n. So it will start from n, it will become n minus 1, n minus 2, 3 things only. Okay, so let's open this bracket. So it is 3 by 2, and then 3 by 2 minus 2. So it will become 1 by 2, and then 3 by 2 minus 2. So 4, so minus 1 by 2, and then we have 3 factorial 6, and then minus 2 power 3, and then x ka power 3. Now look at this. Now how we will proceed? So 3, 2 times 6. Okay, so minus 2 ka power cube is minus of 8. So here also minus is waiting. So minus of minus 8 will become 8, and then we have 16 in the denominator, x cube. So 8 2 times. So the fourth term will become what? X power 3 by 2. I hope you got the idea, you got the approach, and you can handle similar situations. Okay.